In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for long-tail keyword ideas fast and easy. If you're looking to boost your SEO efforts and find the best keywords to target for your content, this is the perfect place to start. Google Trends is a fantastic tool that provides insights into what people are searching for. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Trends. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and searching for Google Trends in the search bar. Once you hit that search button, look for the first link that pops up and click on it. This will take you right to the Google Trends homepage where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled Explore. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you're going to start your keyword research journey. In the search bar, type in your broad topic or what we call a seed keyword. For example, if you're interested in the athletic market, you might type in running shoes. After entering your main keyword, press Enter. This will pull up a wealth of information. But before you get overwhelmed, let's make sure the data you're seeing is relevant to your needs. At the top of the page, you'll find several filters that you can adjust. Start with the location filter to target the specific country or region your content is aimed at. Next, set the time range to either the past 12 months or the past 90 days to ensure you're seeing up-to-date trends. You can also select a category that suits your industry and decide on the search type, whether it's web search, YouTube, or shopping, depending on where you plan to focus your content. As you scroll down, you'll come across the Related Queries section. This is where you can uncover long-tail phrases that people often search for along with your main keyword. For instance, for running shoes, you might find keywords like best running shoes for flat feet or lightweight running shoes for marathon. Be sure to switch between top to see high-volume searches and rising to identify fast-growing queries. Just below that, you'll see the Related Topics section. This is another goldmine for discovering broader or associated long-tail ideas. You might find topics such as trail running shoes or running shoe reviews, which can offer secondary opportunities for content creation. Now, if you want to compare different keywords, you can click on the plus compare button to add several keywords. This feature helps you gauge their relative search interest and assists you in deciding which keywords are worth targeting first. Finally, to keep track of all this valuable information, click the download icon that looks like an arrow in the Related Queries or Chart sections to export CSV files. This will allow you to manage and prioritize your long-tail keyword strategies based on search volume, rising trends, and relevance to your audience. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to use Google Trends to enhance your keyword research strategy. Happy keyword hunting, and see you in the next video.